Hey, what's up? Popo as well. It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Baseus Bowie 30 Max noise cancellation headphones. And these are going to be Baseus' first head tracking spatial audio headphones that are going to deliver 3D sound with superior audio. And so these are definitely going to be Baseus' best performing headphones when it comes to superior audio quality with the high res up to 3 times of audio detail compared to average audio. And so you're getting high res wirelessly as well as wired, and it's going to be supported with the LDAC feature. And so these will give you a very nice rich sound because of the 50mm super bass driver, which have been tested to basically deliver the best audio experience possible. But let's go ahead and take these out of the box. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So if you've been following the channel now for some time, you all know that I'm a huge fan of Baseus Bowie headphones. And so, since the beginning, from the H1s all the way down to the, D05s, I've been picking them up. And so these are going to be delivering a very premium spatial audio experience, which is going to be offering bass increase up to 200% of increase. More on that later. So you do get the sticker pack, the warranty, as well as the user manual, the 3.5mm cable inside the box. They're also going to give you a Type A to Type C short cable for charging them. Another useful addition is that you can actually get 14 hours of playtime by charging them only for 10 minutes, which is going to offer you plenty of battery for the rest of the day. When you're using these, you also can get up to 65 hours of playtime total, but 31 hours of playtime with the active noise cancellation with the head tracking on to cover the whole day of listening. And then if you just have the head tracking off, you can get up to 50 hours of playtime. In normal mode, you can extend it up to 65 hours. So these are going to give you plenty of battery life for an entire day. These are going to have that patented swivel feature on the headband, which will allow you to get comfortable adjustment when these are on the head. And you also do get a flexible headband as well, reinforced with metal. It's also going to have some ABS as well as PC materials on here. And so they're very similar look to the Baseus 10 Max. In my opinion, these are going to be like a very similar model. However, there are several improvements with the Bowie 30 Max, which makes them superior, that I'll get into later in the video. And so what's kept me a fan of the Baseus lineup when it comes to their Bowie headphones is the Baseus Golden Audio Tech Pack, which is going to give you that, 14 hours of battery with only 10 minutes charge. It's going to also offer the multi-point connection, the dual channel low latency for 0.06 low latency latency way when it comes to gaming. And then another advantage with these is the app, which is going to also give you full customization when it comes to your audio. And so once you have the headphones connected to your smartphone and you connect it to the Baseus audio app, this is where you have complete customization of all your sound effects and personalization when it comes to enjoying your music. And so there are some presets you can choose from, or you can edit and save your own sound profiles, which gives you freedom to tailor the sounds to your liking. You also do get ambient mode, which gives you noise reduction mode while being able to use it commuting indoor, outdoor, or custom up to 10 all the way down to 1. And then you do get the transparency mode, or you can actually turn that off. And so they also have a spatial acoustics where you can turn that off, have it fixed, or have the head tracking follow you with each head movement. It definitely seems like Baseus takes, feedback from their customers and fan base, because these have been improved when it comes to the overall volume, which a lot of people who used several of the Baseus headphones in the past complained about them not getting loud enough, where they were actually able to increase the sound on these by 200%. So it's going to give you a much louder experience. You also get a lot more detail with the LDAC, which is going to be highly available for support on most Android devices. So if you go into iPhone, that's where you're going to run into the issue of not being able to get much support because iPhones don't have that feature. But yeah, I definitely think that if you were looking for, the best high-res audio that's available, as well as enhanced bass as well as the volume, it's definitely going to be very loud. You're also going to get extremely good noise cancellation on here to block out or eliminate distractions. We'll get into the sound quality in a little bit more detail, but let's switch gears and talk about the microphones right now.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the Baseus Bowie 30 Max. I'm using them outdoors right now so you can get a quick sample of what the microphone sounds like. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the overall audio quality right now. I'm just talking in an outdoor environment. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the microphones on the Baseus 30 Max. In an outdoor environment, there's a little bit of wind noise and a little bit of AC noise around me. So this should give you an idea what the microphones sound like in an outdoor environment. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this quick audio sample, okay? Hey, what's going on? So this is an indoor environment with the Baseus Bowie 30 Max. Let me know what you guys think about the microphones while I'm talking in an indoor environment compared to when I was actually talking with these in an outdoor environment. So this is just to give you a quick sample of what it would sound like if you were actually speaking with the microphones indoors. Let me know what you guys think, okay?
Now, when it comes to microphones, Baseus has loaded the Bowie 30 Max with two microphones with ENC, environmental noise cancellation. And so their promise is that every conversation matters. And so they're going to block out noises to amplify your voice and ensure that you're heard anywhere and anytime. But more on the audio experience when listening to these headphones. With the bass boost enhancement feature in the app, it's going to improve the overall levels when it comes to the bass. And so you're going to hear a much louder and richer quality as well. And so you're going to be able to get that spatial acoustics with the first time ever head tracking on a Baseus pair of headphones. They're going to give you some very good low latency for gaming, ambient sound for when you're in an outdoor environment and you want to hear everything around you. The noise canceling feature works perfect and it blocks out extremely loud noises, especially the ones that are close to you, so you can actually, kind of focus if you're like studying or, doing work or anything like that. But these give you a very nice, rich, loud, and deep bass with the ability to use a headphone jack on here as well. And so I definitely think these are going to be the most versatile pair of Bowie headphones yet from Baseus. So let me know what you guys think about the Bowie 30 Max in the comment section. And if you're still here, just type down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace. Later, crew.